Hi, welcome back to Studio NPL. I'm Rebecca Stone, one of your Studio NPL mentors. And last time I asked you to send me some footage to show off your skills and some of the things you're doing while you're kind of stuck at home right now. And I've been having a great time reviewing that footage. Thank you for sending some, and I hope you'll keep sending me some more. But I'm going to kick off this series with Amelie, who sent us some footage from Toronto, Canada. She's making some delicious cookies. So Amelie, let's see how this is done right. Thanks, Amelie. Those cookies are amazing, and I know because I made some using your recipe, and I appreciate it. Now, Amelie did send us a fully edited video. She did the filming on her camera, and she edited and sent it in to me. So I appreciate that, but guess what? You don't have to do that. If you just have footage and no way to edit, send me the footage, and I will edit it for you, no problem. Or if you don't have a camera you can use your cell phone. Anything you have, it will work, and we'll have a good time learning a new skill that you could teach us how to do, because we want to learn from you for a while, okay? So go ahead and send your footage to StudioNPLNashville@gmail.com. That's StudioNPLNashville@gmail.com. Send me your fully produced videos or just send me the footage. Either way, and we'll see what we can learn next on Studio NPL. Oh, are we done? Because I really want to eat one of these cookies. All right, good. They really are good.